Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to show you some things you can use with Python automation. So writing short scripts, running them, and seeing them automate repetitive tasks. So this is usually for like people in. I want to focus mainly on people in the legal field, but I'm sure for other fields with repetitive and admin tasks, you can apply this as well. So I'm dabbling into Python automation, and so I'm trying out some scripts and hopefully let's see if a startup can build from this. So essentially what it's supposed to do is that you can see this is my downloads folder, right? And it's a mess. What it's supposed to do is supposed to create folders and then move documents according to their type into those folders, right? So ideally, as you can see, this says Catlin. Catlin is a client. So Catlin is the legal folder, right? It's supposed to create a folder for the client and then put the documents into that folder, right? Because as you can see, you've got contracts in here, you've got marital clauses, acts, all these different things, and it's the easy way to sort things out without me having to do all of this. So as you can see, the emails and these are all for different clients. So you want to just make things neat and so let me just show you how it's supposed to work. So you put the script that you write it in Notepad, and then ideally use VS Code to debug. So after doing that, you're supposed to put the script after you've written it in Notepad and you've debugged it into you've debugged it in VS Code. You're supposed to put it into the downloads, right? So command prompt cd into downloads, right? Clean. That's the name of the script, by the way. Clean directory. So there we go. It's sorted everything out. So that's what it's supposed to do. Now that we have something that's working, I can now build up on this and get it to do more complicated things, such as open these docs.